This homemade method quickly removes rust and scorch marks. Forget about steel wool and protect your hands. You only need ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Start with a small plastic bottle, preferably with a spout. Pour in about 100 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, a natural oxidizer with antibacterial properties that effectively breaks down dirt. Add a measure of dish soap, which degreases and softens burnt residues. You can choose any scent or color. Next, pour in a few tablespoons of vinegar, known for its descaling antibacterial properties and ability to dissolve rust. Complete the mixture with toothpaste, which acts as a mild abrasive while whitening and polishing surfaces. Close the bottle and shake well until all ingredients are thoroughly combined. Now, simply spray the solution onto the stained area and gently wipe with a sponge. Rust and scorch marks will disappear without scrubbing, faster than with any store-bought cleaner.